In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to securely change your Jotform password. Whether you're tightening your security measures or simply updating your passwords regularly, knowing how to change your password on platforms like Jotform is essential. So let's get into the nitty-gritty of it. First things first, open up your web browser of choice and navigate to the official Jotform website. You can do this by typing www.jotform.com into your address bar and hitting enter. Upon arriving at Jotform's homepage, you'll find a plethora of information and options at your fingertips. But for now, let's focus on the task at hand. If you look towards the top right corner of the homepage, you'll see a login button. Click on that to proceed. This is your gateway to accessing your Jotform account and ultimately changing your password. Once you've clicked on login, you'll be met with several sign-in options. If you've previously linked your Jotform account to your Google account or any other platform, you'll want to choose accordingly. This makes logging in seamless and straightforward. After successfully logging in, you will be redirected to your main dashboard on Jotform, specifically to the My Forms section. Now remember, the goal is to navigate to your account settings where the magic happens, changing your password. Take a moment to orient yourself on this page, and once you're ready, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen once again. This time you'll notice your profile picture or an avatar. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings to delve deeper into your account preferences. This is where Jotform houses all the settings related to your account, from your personal information to security settings, and yes, your password. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Account section. This is the hub for all account-related adjustments you can make. Here you'll find everything you need to ensure your account is secure, your personal information is up to date, and your preferences are set just the way you like them. As you navigate through the account settings, you'll eventually come across the password section. It's typically labeled distinctly for ease of identification. When you find it, there will be an option to reset password. Clicking on this option is your next step towards securing your account with a new password. Now at this point, Jotform will guide you through the process of resetting your password. It's crucial to choose a strong and unique password that you haven't used elsewhere. Mixing uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers and symbols can significantly enhance the strength of your password. After you've successfully changed your password, it's a good practice to log out of all other sessions on different devices, if Jotform prompts or allows you to do so. This ensures that your account is secure and can only be accessed with the new password you've just set. And there you have it. Changing your password on Jotform is as simple as following these steps. Remember, keeping your passwords updated and unique is a cornerstone of maintaining online security. With that in mind, consider changing your passwords regularly and avoid using the same password across multiple platforms. Before you go, a few parting tips. Always log out of your accounts when using shared or public computers. Keep your recovery information up to date and consider using a password manager to keep track of your passwords securely. Thank you for following along in this tutorial on how to change your Jotform password. Stay secure and see you in the next video for more insightful tips and guides.